Phylogenetic trees can be of two types, rooted trees and unrooted trees. Rooted trees have a common ancestor for all the leaf and internal nodes. On the other hand, unrooted tree, it doesn't have any concept of a root node, which is a common ancestor. So in this section, we will see how to convert an unrooted tree into a rooted tree. One common mechanism or method for this conversion is Fitch and Morgalish algorithm, which basically is useful for finding length of individual elements in the tree, then finding the length of the complete tree, then finding out root of the tree, and finally find out internal nodes of the tree. यानी कि हमारे पास अगर एक unrooted tree है तो ये algorithm हमें help करेगा to convert that unrooted tree into a rooted tree, then finding length of individual elements and length of the internal nodes. ये काम कैसे करता है? Let's start from algorithm. So number one step would be we will find out or we will assign a root node randomly inside the tree. यानी कि हम कोई से भी ब्रांच लेंगे और कहेंगे कि इसके दरमियान रूट एग्जिस्ट करती है. Then what we will do, we will visit an internal nodes which we can say x, for which no state set has been defined, but where the state sets of x immediate descent means downstairs, have y such as y and are present. So what will happen then? The third state, if the set states of yz have common states, then we will assign it to x. Otherwise, what will we do? If there are not common states, then we will assign union of x, y and z together. And finally, we will repeat this step for all the remaining nodes. So इसको हम सिंपल वर्ड्स में क्या कह सकते हैं? नंबर वन स्टेप इज हमने एक randomly एक पॉइंट पिक किया which is we say that it is a root node. Then we see the next or immediate neighbors of that root node and then see, okay, if they are common, if there is anything common, then we don't progress the length of the tree. If they are different, then we assign it to one node and then increase length by one, and similarly we go on. इस चीज़ को प्रैक्टिकली एक्सप्लेनेशन इसकी कुछ इस तरह से होगी. सपोज वी हैव अ tree which is having 5 different nodes A, B, C and G. So what we can do is number one step would be we take this position as randomly as shown by hand. We just take this position randomly and we say that this is our root node. So first we break this tree as such like this. So now we can see that this arrow is showing root of the tree, and on that part AC and the other part C, A and G is there. So now in next step what we do, okay, we take common of A and C, this is CA step, and here we say that okay, once we take common of this CA, which is now basically as shown in this figure, this one CA, this is common of C and A upper node, this C and this A, we say that this is common and this is basically a parent of these two, and we say that this length is now 1. So moving on, what we do in next step, we take common of A and G now. So A and G, it becomes another set AG. So now again length is 2. So whenever we are making a new set, the length is increasing by 1. So our length is now 2. Moving on, if I increase, take another set such as ACG. Now this is parent of C, A and G. This set becomes ACG. Now ACG is made, so length becomes 3. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे लास्ट जो ऑप्शन है, what we want to do is we want to take, we have two options AC and ACG, और हमने अब यहाँ पर एक चीज़ असाइन करनी है ये वाली. अब क्या होगा, अब हमारे पास दो चांसेस हैं कि ACG को अगर हम लेते हैं यहाँ पे तो हमें लेंथ इंक्रीज होगी, बट देर आर कॉमन एलिमेंट्स AC इन बोथ ऑफ दीज सेट्स. सो वी से दैट दिस रूट नोड दिस वुड बी AC, और होगा क्या कि हमारे पास लेंथ सेम रहेगी, हम लेंथ में इंक्रीज नहीं करेंगे. तो लेंथ कब इंक्रीज होती है? जब भी हम कोई नया सेट बनाते हैं. एज लॉन्ग एज सेट इज कॉमन और सेम, देयर इज नो इंक्रीज इन द गिवन लेंथ.